Good morning in Japanese is Ohayo, like the state of Ohio. Technically, you can say Ohayo any time of day, depending on what time you wake up. That could be 6 a.m. or 4 p.m. I don't know. It's your life. You do you. Egg in Japanese is tamago. Want to hear a funny joke about eggs? I heard it along tamago. People in Japan say itadakimasu before eating a snack or a meal. For example, itadakimasu. 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 This is how you say nationalities in Japanese. See if you can figure out the pattern. アメリカ人、フランス人、メキシコ人、中国人、韓国人、日本人、人参。People in Japan say 頑張れ at sporting events. 頑張れ! Sayonara in Japanese means goodbye. You'd use it if you're leaving and you're not coming back. If you're only planning on leaving the house for a little bit, you would use ittekimasu. Sayonara. Sayonara. Wait. Story time. Shoe in Japanese is kutsu. One time, my friend wanted to compliment a lady on her shoes, like he wanted to say, 綺麗な靴ですね. But instead of kutsu, he said, ケツ. He said, 綺麗なケツですね. The worst part is, he said it during church. これは blank です means this is blank. If you don't know how to say a word in Japanese, just say it in English with a Japanese accent and half the time you'll be right. For example, これはベッドです。これはランプです。これはトイレットペーパーです。これはかわいい stationery sticker set, assorted 18 sheets, pink sakura, cherry blossom, household gardening tool, cute girl flower, succulent plants, cactus, decorative adhesive label, 4-4 diary, scrapbook planner. This. Kit Kats are super popular in Japan. They have a ton of flavors of Kit Kat, even alcohol flavored. But the real reason why they're so popular is because kittokatto sounds vaguely like kittokatsu, which means you're sure to win. People in Japan will buy Kit Kats if they have a competition or a big test coming up. Whoever's on Kit Kat's marketing department should get a raise. I made a mistake. In one of my previous videos, I forgot to add a 10-10 to this character right here, so it read itadakimasu instead of itadakimasu. So to prove to you guys that this was just a typo and that I do know Japanese, I'm gonna add a 10-10 right here. In Japan, we say "hai cheese" when taking pictures.
Hi, cheese.
Wait, I think I blinked. If you want to say you like something in Japanese, you can say suki. If you really like something, you can say daisuki. You like it so much, you would die for it. In Japanese, we say iranai if something's useless and we don't need it. For example, iranai. 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 Today, I'm going to teach you the kanji character for woman. Okay, so I've got my dictionary app open right here. This is the character for woman. Right here, woman or female. Now, just out of curiosity, what if we wrote this character 3 times? What would we get right here? Maji desu ka means, are you serious? For example, え、マジですか? ご愁傷様です means my condolences. You can say it to someone who recently lost a loved one. Hopefully it's a phrase that you don't have to use too often, but you'll most likely use it if you see a character with this hairstyle. The word miru means to see. You know how in English you'd say, I'm gonna go see my girlfriend, like you're gonna go hang out? Well, that doesn't really directly translate to Japanese. Like if you were to say, girlfriend wo miru, that would literally mean, I'm gonna go watch my girlfriend. Instead, you should say, girlfriend ni au. Unless you are going to go watch her, in which case, you should be in jail. The word for poop in Japanese is unko, for those of you who are curious. Hey, what are you guys playing? Oh, we're playing this game where you'd say the first letter of your name, then the rest of your name. For example, my name's Andy, so my name would be A-N-D. And my name's Ken, so my name would be K-N. Okay, my turn. So my name is Junko, so my name would be J-Unko. Maybe we should play something else. 食べたいです means want to eat. If you want to say, do you want to eat? You can say, 食べたいですか? In English, we might use do you want as an invitation. Say when we're offering someone food, we might say, do you want some? But in Japanese, do you want isn't an invitation. Like you're literally just asking them if they want something, which can come across as rude sometimes. Kind of like that annoying kid in elementary school who'd be like, do you want some? Well, too bad, you can't have it. So when you're offering food in Japanese, it'd be more appropriate to say, 食べませんか? Which means, won't you eat? 食べませんか? Learning Japanese directions.
左、右、ジャンプ。左、ジャンプ。右、ジャンプ。うわ左、右。